Before starting the reading, I would like to thank you all my viewers, subscribers. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, friends. Press the bell symbol to know more notifications regarding my new videos. Don't forget to comment if my reading is resonated, or if not, please check my other readings. Please note that these are general readings. It may or may not resonate with everyone. I request you all to let me know what type of readings you want in future. If you want personal readings, please check the description box below for more details. I have given my email ID also. Okay friends, let's start today's reading. And today's reading is requested by one of the viewer, and it is will he or she call me or text me. It is for all zodiac signs. Okay, so I am doing this as per the zodiac signs. I will take one card and it will show yes or no, and also it will give the time frames, and I also will take the cards messages from your person also. And we will see zodiac signs means it can be sun, moon or rising signs. You can see all the three of them to get more clarity. Okay, let's start the reading. So this reading will be for your lover, crush, your husband, wife or your ex. So you want to know, or it can be your family member, your friend whom you are separated with. You don't know when they will contact you. So you want to know when they will contact you. So this reading will give you some clarity, and you can check, as I told you already, you can check your sun sign, moon sign and rising sign. All the three of them you can see. And if you don't know what is your rising sign, then I will give in the description box below the link of the website where you can go and see how to calculate your rising sign. You will get to know what is your rising sign. Okay, let's start our reading. First zodiac sign is Aries. Aries person, will your person contact you, call you, text you or message you, email you? Okay, let us see. Whomever you are thinking about, the person will contact you or not, when this person will contact you. Okay, so I am not taking the jumping cards today. Okay, so your card is Seven of Cups. Okay, Seven of Cups means it is always kind of a maybe card actually. Okay, this is not yes also, not no also. This is kind of a maybe card. So for more clarity, maybe we will take one more clarifier for this. So when your person will contact you, Aries person, when Aries person will contact you, Aries person, when Aries person will contact. Okay, nice, very nice, very nice. Six of Wands, it is yes, friends. It is 100% yes. And also Wands energy, it says that it is very quick, and it can be in 6 days this person will contact you. He will contact you in the spring season, and he will contact very quickly. Okay, so Wands, your person can be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, so your person will contact you in within 6 days. Okay, so max will be within 10 days. So please wait for your person to contact you. Then let's see what the person want to say to Aries. Only one card each I will take, friends. Okay, so this card says you are if you are looking for your person, he is your twin flame connection. Okay, so we'll see these cards also. Okay, beautiful eyes. That means your person likes your eyes, or you like your person's eyes. They are beautiful. Maybe they are blue eyes, hazel eyes, cat eyes. Okay, so very nice, Aries. Your person will contact you soon. Next, Taurus. I'm not taking the jumping cards, as I told you already. When the Taurus person will contact, when the Taurus person will contact, when the Taurus person will contact, will Taurus person will contact or not, when they will contact. Please, spirit guides, angels, give us some guidance, friends. my friends and viewers, they want to know when their person will contact. Please, spirit guides. Please, spirit guides. Oh, this is not leaving me. It is jumping. I can't help it, friends. So this is Nine of Pentacles. Nine of Pentacles is a yes card, and this lady also, it is a very positive card actually. So it is about to your whatever wishes or you are planning, they are about to come to fruition. This is 9. 9 means next number will be 10. That means your wishes will be coming true, and this person will contact you. When this person will contact you is it is little slow actually, slow moving energy. So it might take little slow. Okay, so 9 months it might take, and it looks like this person is all now he's concentrating about his finances, career and all. He's not into love energy actually. So the pentacles always represent that finance, or like career, then stability. So all these things will be will come under the pentacles. So the energy will be very slow. This person might come in 9 months. Okay, so it will be it might take 1 year also, because this person is very slow, and it is Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. This person's energy will be Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So I'm reading for the Taurus sign, and this person also may be same fellow Taurus or Virgo, Capricorn, Earth sign person. But this person moving very slow. He might contact you in winter season. Okay, so maybe November, December he will November, December, January he will contact. So it might take nine months later he will contact you, or in winter he will contact you. Okay, be positive, friends. So let us see what your person want to say. Okay, LDR, that means long distance relationship. So this maybe this 9 months after he will contact you, meaning you might meet this person 9 months later, or 1 year later in the month in winter, November, December, January you might meet. In winter season definitely you will meet this person. Okay, maybe it looks like a long distance relationship, and directly, instead of calling and texting, he might come to you directly. He will travel and come to you and meet you directly. Okay, so let us see what this person want to say. Earth sign. So the same thing, friends. This is earth energy, as I told, earth energy. So earth sign person, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn person will be maybe your person. You are looking for this reading. You might be looking for this person. Okay. Okay. Very good, Taurus. Let's go to Gemini. Gemini. Spirit guides, please help and give us some clarity. Gemini's person is coming back, or calling, texting, messaging. Please guide us. And when? Gemini's person, my viewer Gemini, who is looking for the clarity, please show us your blessings and give us some clarity. Gemini person. Oh, nice. 3 of Cups. Celebrations card. The answer is yes. This person will contact you. So the cups meaning it will be in months. So 3 months he will contact you. In this person might be a water sign person, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and this person will be contacting you within 3 months. Okay, so now this is April, so 3 months meaning it will be July or August. This person will definitely contact you, because this card is a very happy card, so celebration card, and it is a very happy energy we can see in this card. So this person will be contacting you in 3 months. Oh, 2. So this person want to take you on a coffee date, and this person is telling you that you make me happy. Okay, so these 2 messages are from your person. So let's be maybe your friend or family member. So this person want to go on a coffee date, and he or she thinks that you make them happy. Okay, this is also long distance relationship. Okay, this person may be calling you, texting you, messaging you. Okay, so this long distance relationship person, he or she will contact you in 3 months. Very good, Gemini. So now let's go for Cancer. Spirit guides, please guide us when my Cancer's person will be texting, calling, or contacting them or meeting them. When they will contact, when they will come back, will they contact my Cancer people or not? Please help us, guide us, Spirit guides. Please help us, guide us, Spirit guides. Please help us. I'm not taking those cards. Okay, please help us, guide us, Spirit guides. Please help us. Thank you, spirits. For Cancer person, High Priestess, very nice. So this is a major arcana card, and it says that maybe yes or no. It is actually not yes or no, it is maybe card. But it shows that your person might be coming. If at all he or she is coming, they will come within 1 to 3 months. Okay, in this time period they will come back, call you or text you. But this will be a long term, like they will commit to you, and they will commit to you for long term. This will be a long term relationship if at all this person is coming back to you or calling you, texting you. But we will take a clarifier, because this is a maybe card. We want a perfect answer, yes or no, so we will take a clarifier. So for Cancer people, please give us some guidance. Please give us some guidance. Please give us some guidance when this Cancer's person will come or call or text. Please give us some guidance why these cards are jumping today. I don't know. Cancer people, what you are doing? Okay, Cancer people, their intentions are very strong. So then this person, they are actually waiting. Please give us some guidance. Please give us some guidance. We are taking a clarifier. I don't want many more cards. Please give us some clarifier. I am not able to shuffle today. Cancer people, you are anxious, curious. Okay. This is Ace of Swords reversed. Okay. Swords means Ace of Swords is always new beginnings. I don't know. I mean, this is also like a confusing condition, Cancer. So your answer is not clear. It is like maybe answer, but this person will coming to you within weeks only, like 1 week to 1 month. This person will contact. If at all this person is contacting you, this person will contact you within 1 week, because Ace of Swords reversed. Ace of Swords means it is number 1 card, and this person, if at all he is coming to you, he will come back within 1 week or 1 month. Okay, so please let me know if it is resonating. These 2 cards we have taken, actually 2 cards, but 2 cards also, they are confusing energy, and lot of cards were jumping out. So this energy is not stable. Either you or that person has to heal yourself and do meditation. So lot of energies are coming. So you have to calm down and think, what do you want exactly? Both of you are missing each other, but nobody is willing to contact. Maybe some ego issue, some secrets, lies and deceit. Okay, so you have to calm down. Both of you calm down. Then you both have to think, what do you want actually? But I can see both of you are missing each other. So this person want to have a candlelight dinner with you. Okay, this person is missing you actually, but is not ready to contact you. I don't know why. And I forgot to tell you, this person will be air sign person. Okay, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. So what this person want to say? So this person also might be earth sign for some of them. Message is for somebody very special, like your person might be earth sign person, but here the card says that this person is a Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, earth sign meaning Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Please let me know if it is resonating, Cancer people. Please, if you like my reading, like, share, subscribe to my channel, friends. So let's move to Leo. Please, angel guides, spirit guides, please give us some clarity. When will the person Leo, will the person Leo people are thinking will call, text or contact them, or they will come back? Please help us, give us some clarity. My God, I can't ignore this card, friends. This is very, very beautiful cards. Two of Cups. You both love each other so much and you can't be away from each other. This is a reunion, reconciliation, living together. So this is a very beautiful card. Leo people, I can't ignore this card. So I'm taking this card. It's a very beautiful reading. And this cups meaning this person will be coming in 2 months to you. This person will be contacting you or texting you, calling you, and this will be like a long term commitment. This person will offer the commitment or marriage or engagement. You are lucky people, Leo people. So you are getting the wish fulfilled. Whatever you are wishing for, this person is contacting you, calling you, texting you. So within 2 months, this person will contact you. Maybe in the month of June. Okay, this love card shows love means number 6. So this person might be contacting you in the month of June. Please let me know if he or she contacting. Please. Okay. Then let's see what this person want to tell you. So Leo people, I'm 100% sure that you are looking for your partner only, not for any family member or friend. So this person is want to have a candlelight dinner with you. Okay. Then he's also saying that you make me happy. Very nice, friends. Leo people, you are very lucky. Then let's see what other message. Okay, already fell down. Okay, this one is, please come back to me. I don't know what happened between you, but this person want to be with you. He is asking you to come back to him. Okay, it's very nice, positive reading, Leo. Okay, all the best. If you liked my reading, please like, share, subscribe to my channel, friends. Then next is Virgo. Virgo, slow moving energy. Okay, Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Raphael, please guide us. Give some clarity to my Virgo people. Please give some clarity to my Virgo people. This is the star card. Star card means your person may be Aquarius person. Okay, the Aquarius person will be, you must be asking the question for the Aquarius people. Okay, so you are Virgo and you are asking for the Aquarius person, and this person will contact you. This is kind of a little slow energy. This person will take some time. The star is a very positive card, but this says that it will take some time. He will contact you maybe from 20th January to 18th of February. This person might contact you in that time period, January 20th to 18th of February. This person might contact you. Okay, this person will contact you because the star card says this person will definitely contact you, but it will take some time. You have to be patient with him, and he will contact you in the last week of January to middle of the February. This person will contact you. Please let me know if it resonates, Virgo people. So your person is Aquarius. So let me see what your person, Aquarius person, want to tell you. Oh my God, 3 cards. What? This person is saying, I miss you. So Virgo people, your person is very, very desperate. That's why 3 cards came up here. This person want to have a coffee date with you. Then this person is telling you, let us understand each other. So he is telling, I miss you. Maybe your relationship is connection is getting to know each other. Okay. So this person is telling, I miss you. So let's go to coffee date. Then let's understand each other. Okay. Very nice, beautiful energy. So you are just starting your connection. I feel so. So that's why it is taking a long time. But meanwhile, you can manifest. You can follow the law of attraction. Then do manifestation procedure. Then if you want one more video, one more reading for that, I can do that also. How to manifest the person you want. Okay, this person is also saying that you have beautiful eyes. Maybe you like the person eyes, or that person wants to tell you that you have beautiful eyes, and maybe this person already told you also that you have a beautiful eyes. Very nice reading, Virgo. Be patient. Don't waste time. In meanwhile, you can manifest the person. Okay. So if you like my reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's see now Libra. Libra people, please, spirit guides, angels, give us some clarity, please. For my Libra people, my Libra viewer wants to know that his person, her person will call, text, contact, or directly they will come to meet them, or not, and when. And when. Please give us some guidance and clarity. Give us some blessings. Okay. So Libra people. Oh no. Ten of Swords. Ten of Swords is no card actually. And this person has, like, this person has some feelings for you, but he feels that backstabbed, betrayed, or deception. This person is having a dark energy around this person. Okay, this person is like feeling defeated, hopeless condition. This person may not contact you. If he actually, if he wants to contact you also, he will contact in 10 weeks, okay? This time period will be 10 weeks, and this person will be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Okay, you are Libra. This person might be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person, but it looks like he will not, he may not contact you because of this card. This is a no card actually, Libra. Sorry people. Sorry Libra people. If at all he wants to contact you also, he'll contact you in 10 weeks. So let us see what this person is feeling towards you. This person likes you, have feelings for you, but he is feeling that backstabbed, then deceit or something. But this person is telling we are fine. Okay, don't worry, we are fine, he is telling. Then let's see the other cards also. What this person is thinking and feeling. I'm very sorry, Libra friends. He's also telling that happy family, but it might take some time to resolve these issues, conflicts, fights, disagreements and all. But actually he was hoping for the happy family, but something happened between you both, and this kind of energy is coming up. So backstabbed, deception, depression, anxiety. This person is not in a very good condition right now. Okay, he may not contact you, but if at all he contact you also, he is very fast moving person. He might contact you in 10 weeks, but not sure, because he is into a very dark energy, depression, anxiety. Okay, sorry Libra friends. Let's go to Scorpio. Scorpio people, spirit guides, angels, please help us, guide us. What my viewers, Scorpio people, what their person is feeling, and will they contact, will they call, text, or communicate with them in any other medium, or will they come back? Okay, this is Six of Cups. This is 100%. It is a yes card, friends. This 6 means it is a love card, And also this cups is always represents love. So this answer is yes for you, 100%. This is yes for you. So this person may be contacting you in the month of June or in 6 months. Okay, so this is April month. They may contact you in the month of October. They might contact you in the month of June or October. Okay, so June month is a prominent here because 6 number is here, 6 of cups. So these both are having sharing their love, a cup of love, and this is kind of a commitment, happy family. Okay, this is a family card actually. So this person want to have a family with you. So this person will definitely contact you. He will contact you in the month of June only. Most probably 90% of the people, this person will contact you in the month of June. If at all it is delaying, then in the month of October definitely these people will contact you. This person will contact you. So the even this card also says summer. Summer means it is June only, not October. So 90% this person will contact you in the month of June. And this person may be a water sign person, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, so let's see what this person says. Scorpio person, first Scorpio people, what this person feels about the Scorpio people. Okay, so we are made for each other. Even this card also says that we are made for each other. This card, the 6 of Cups, is a love card. This person is also saying the same thing. We are made for each other. Very nice, Scorpio people. You're lucky, lucky. Okay, let's see what else this person want to say. Looks like this person is a very happy mood. Please come back to me. I don't know what happened between you. This person is saying that please come back to me. Okay. So wait for this person till month of June. This person will contact you. Or this person actually is waiting for you to contact him. So that is up to you. If you want to contact this person, you can contact. Otherwise, this person will contact you in the month of June. Very good, Scorpio. So if you like my reading, please like, share, subscribe to my channel and share my videos. And comment if it is resonating. Please. Okay. Okay, for Sagittarius, it's me. I'm a Sagittarian. Okay, let's see. For Sagittarius people, will that person will contact them? Oh my God, Tower in reverse, but it is a jumping card. I'm not taking. Tower is, even this is also good card only. Tower upright means it everything is ended in between you. Okay, this tower means something. Tower moment came up. The law very big fight happened between you, but still it is reversed. That means you are coming out of that sadness, conflict. Maybe you are getting some clarity. You both of you are getting some clarity, and this person will contact you because it is reversed. But let us take some clarifier. Okay. Sagittarius people, let us take some clarifier when this person will contact you. So the tower moment is already happened and you are coming out of this tower moment. Okay, don't worry, Sagittarius. Okay. This is 9 of Wands. It is about to complete. Like you are waiting for the person, and this waiting is about to finish. Okay, so this person will be same like fire sign like you only, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So this person will be coming to you soon. This is a yes card, and this person will be coming to you in 9 this is Wands, right? Okay, 9 days actually. This person is very quick. He's waiting actually. He's jumping to come towards you. This person will contact you in maybe 9 days, 9 to 10 days. This person will definitely contact you. This person want to speak to you. He want to communicate to you whatever he want to say. This person is eager to express his feelings. Maybe earlier he did not express. Maybe he's a little bit deceptive earlier because of the tower moment, or he is little hesitant because whatever happened between you, this person is not sure whether to contact you or not. But definitely now, because of this card, he will contact you within 9 days, 9 to 10 days. This person will contact you. Please let me know if this resonated. This person contacts you. Please let me know. Comment in the comment section, friends, please. Let us see for Sagittarius people what this person want to say or what universe want to say. Please help us. Please let us know. Okay, soulmates. Okay, so this universe is telling you both are soulmates. You are meant to be together. Okay, then let us see what this person want to say. What else this person want to say? This person, oh, this is same thing, long distance relationship. So the same long distance relationship, this person may be in other country or the city. Okay, so this is long distance relationship. You both are not meeting each other. Maybe you are communicating through mail, text, then a call. Okay, this person will be contacting you very soon. In 9 to 10 days this person will contact, and please let me know, comment in the comment section, friends. Thank you so much. If you like my reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, friends. Then next is Capricorn. Capricorn, please angels help us, guide us. What my Capricorn people wants to know, whether their person will text, call, contact them, and when. So will the person contact them to Capricorn people, and when? Please guide us, give us some clarity. Please give us some clarity. Please give us some guidance. Bless us. Bless us, angels. Bless us, angels. Bless our Capricorn people. Please guide us. Thank you. Oh my goodness. What can I say? Sun card is yes, yes, yes. So many yeses. The Sun card is new beginning. Okay, new beginnings, celebrations, everything is positive, bright, very nice card you got. The Sun card. Okay, this Sun card meaning it is a major arcana card. Major arcana. Then we will see what this card says. Okay, your person might be a Leo person. Sun card is a yes, a big yes for you. This person might be a Leo person which you are looking for, and this person may contact you within 3 weeks to 1 month. This is a fast moving energy, so this person will call, text you within 3 weeks to 1 month. Okay, let us see what this person want to say, Capricorn. What messages are coming for Capricorn? Okay, coffee date. This person want to go for a coffee date with you. Let us see what this person want to say. Oh, same thing, long distance relationship. Even Sagittarius got the long distance relationship. So that's why this person want to go to a coffee date to get to know more about you. So you both have to understand each other. If this person want to go for a coffee date, so this person before taking any action to be serious or commitment and all, this person want to know you more. So maybe this person is coming back in 3 weeks to 1 month. They might come back to you after this lockdown period ends, and maybe they want to go for a coffee date with you. Okay, let me know, friends, where this person is. Long distance relationship means which country, which city. Okay, let me know, Capricorn people. Let's go to Aquarius. Aquarius people, angels, please guide us. Please guide Aquarius people to know more about their person, when this person will contact them, or same thing, Tower reversed. Okay, something Tower moment happened in the past between you both, and because of this you are separated. But this Tower is now turned back, reversed. It is reversed, meaning you are coming out of this that conflict. Maybe you are coming to compromise with each other. Maybe you got this some clarity that why this happened. So you both might be coming to understanding and coming out of that Tower moment, sadness, depression, anxiety. You are coming out of that anger issues, everything. You are slowly you are coming to compromise. Okay, Aquarius people, what the spirit want to tell you, will this person will contact Aquarius people or not? We are taking one more clarifier. This is a Seven of Swords. Seven of Swords, your person again. This person may be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, same like you only. Okay, this person might be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. This person is a little bit sneaky, player, flirt kind of energy, but still this person want to contact you. Look at his face, he's smiling and going away. So this person will contact you. But when this person will contact you, we will see. This person might contact you in weeks only. 7 weeks he might contact you, because number 7 is prominent here, and this person will contact you in 7 weeks. Okay, so maybe in 8 months around, 8 weeks around, almost 2 months. Okay, so now this is April, so this person might contact you in the month of June, last ending of the June. This person will definitely contact you, but be careful with this person. He's kind of a sneaky behavior. Be careful, and before commenting, you check. Okay. Okay, what this person want to tell you? Oh my God. He's telling beautiful smile, and he's also telling thank you. Maybe even after so many hurts and so many this player energy also, still you are considering him or her. Maybe because of that they are saying thank you to you. Okay, maybe I don't know what you have done to him. Aquarius people, this person is telling thank you. Okay, they are telling you have a beautiful smile, and they are saying that we will have a happy family. Okay, this person is wants a happy family with you, and this person is telling you know me better than anyone else. Okay, maybe you have a long-term commitment and long-term relationship. This looks like, for me, this is you are not asking about any lover or crush. You are asking about your ex or your spouse. Okay, this reading might be this Aquarius people might be asking about their ex or spouse. Okay. Okay, hope you liked this reading. Please let me know if you liked my reading. If it is resonated, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, friends. I'm very, very thankful to you all. Okay, now Pisces. Spirit guides and angels, please help us to get to some clarity and give us some guidance when the Pisces person will contact them. When the Pisces person will contact them. Will the Pisces person will contact or not? Will the Pisces person contact them or not? And when? Okay, please give us some clarity. Please give us some guidance. Please give us some guidance. Thank you. Oh my God, Queen of Wands. Very nice. This is a big yes. So Pisces people, this Queen of Wands, this person, Queen of Wands meaning it is Leo, the strength card actually. This is Leo card, this is major arcana, and your person may be Leo person whom you are dealing with. And this person might call you or text you from July 22nd to August 22nd. In between, this person will definitely call you or text you. So this is a Wands energy. So he might contact you very soon also. Within days also this person might contact you because of the Wands. Okay, Wands are very fast moving energy. So this person might contact you before that itself. July, he may not wait for till that time. In the month of May also he might contact. So please let me know if this person is contact you in the month of May or July. Please let me know. Let's see what kind of messages they are getting for Pisces. My Pisces people, what your person is thinking, what your person is saying, please let me know. Angels. Okay, this person again want to go for a candlelight dinner with you. Okay, this person is missing you. This person want to go for a candlelight dinner with you. So looks like this person will communicate in the month of May only. Okay. So let us see what this person want to say. Please don't be angry. I don't know what this person has done to you. This person is telling, please don't be angry. Okay, this person want to come and have a candlelight dinner with you, but at that time don't shout at them. Please be patient, don't be angry. Okay, very nice. If you like my reading, if it resonated, please comment below and let me know if it is resonated with you or not. If at all it is resonating, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, friends. Really, I appreciate the viewers and subscribers for a lot of support and encouragement that you guys are giving it to me. Thank you, friends, and see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye.